thousands of people have been urged to evacuate after an increased eruption of Guatemala's 12,300 feet Volcano of Fire. Dramatic pictures show glowing lava spewing from the summit of the volcano, located among the departments of Escuintla, Chimaltenango, and Zacatepec is in the south-central part of the country. Disaster coordination authorities have asked 10 communities to evacuate and go to safe areas. This morning, David de Leon, spokesman for the National Coordinator for Disaster Reduction, said monitoring of the volcano's activity yesterday showed the intensity of the eruption was being maintained. It comes just months after a previous eruption of the Volcán de Fuego killed 194 people and left 234 missing. However, 8 groups helping badly hit areas insist the true number of those still unaccounted for after the disaster in June runs into the thousands. At the time, searing flows of lava, ash and rock mixed with water and debris gushed down the volcano's flanks, blocking roads and burning homes. Share this article. Share fast-moving pyroclastic flows overtook people in homes and streets with temperatures reaching as high as 700 C, 1300 F, and hot ash and volcanic gases that can cause rapid asphyxiation. The volcano, one of the most active in Central America, spewed more ash and lava in October, prompting warnings for nearby communities. Fuego has been erupting since 2002 and was continuously active in 2017.